Cookie Singyoiba Quaidagi Pesa Achoba Lakfama Oideba Kerela miyamda Garang Rohan Filmna Manipuri current crisis asigi matangda Trivandrum Press Meet pangthokhre Tharamadu Manipuris and Trivandrum Koba Trivandrum da Manipur Macha Singi group asena support Tauraga pangthokhibane Press Meet eduda Rohan Filmna Cookie Singna Sandokliba false narrative propaganda singadu miyamda sengdokhibaga luinana Achumba irang asigi haurakfam miyamda paudamki Mahakna Kerela Church Singda Fund Drive Tauraga Humanitarian Assistance Kimingda Achoba Senfa Mama Cookie Singda Kerela Church Community na Thakibadu Cookie Singna Arms and Ammunition Libada Oilana Sizinade Hainakana Apple Toke Kerela Christian Singata Singna Mating Pangning Labadi Pesa Natabida Poche Oina Pangbina Bahaike Rohan Masama Christian Nama Oina Cookie Christian Pastor Singda Peace Talk Tauraga Santi Purakna request Taupada Cookie Pastor Samatanangasi Fawa Yarak Haina Fongdok Kipagalunada Kerela miyamda Cookie Singer Sandokliba false propaganda Singda Hazabigano Haike Tokliba Iranga Seda Church Tatana Hindu Mandir Chahum Gamar Futra Humdoi Cookie Singna May Thabi Kre Adubo High Ribbon News City National Media na cover Tobide Hibawafam so Fongdoke Media na Hanglakpa Wangi Pagpumpira Duna Manipur Thokliba Irang Asigi solution Purake Hyderabadi problem Asiki root cause poppy plantation illegal immigration Achungbasing Asini Hyderaduna Central Amadi Manipur government na serious oina problem asi solve Taugi Hyderabadi Ngahana Tauba Yai Haina Penda Basofong Doke.
News has been viral in the entire of the national media that arms and ammunition were snatched by the militaries. Yes, it is very true. Also in the meantime, arms and ammunition were also snatched in the hilly areas of Manipur by the Cookie. And it's just a matter of the percentage. But when it comes to machine guns, arms and ammunition, and automatic weapons, there is a big question mark of where are the arms and ammunition of our Cookie people coming from? Where are the funds coming from? Why are they using so much of automated weapons all the way from the hilly areas when they claim themselves in the entire world that they are victims and they are very poor people? And this very saddening news has already circulated that most of the church funding which comes from Kerala, most of the church fundings which are coming from Tamil Nadu for a very good cause of helping our Christian fraternity has gone into the wrong hands. People have started to buy arms and ammunition by using all these funds. So we are here not to say, please don't send money. No, we are not here to say that way. We are here to say, both are victims. The Maites are also the victims. The Cookies are also the victims. Both are the victims.